Hi, welcome to my channel, welcome back. Thank you for joining me here for today's video, where I'm going to share with you a couple of little items which I got from Louis Vuitton on my recent trip to Poland. And I have a perfume to share and one little SLG, which I believe is pretty rare item. If you are here first time, welcome. My name is Natalia and I'm self-admitted shameless shopaholic, and I post on YouTube videos on how I spend my money or how I waste my money. So if you enjoy shopping, especially luxury designer handbags and shoes, please consider joining my Anonymous Shopaholic Club down below, so we are staying in this addiction together. So before I share with you what I got at Louis Vuitton in Poland, I want to give you quick information about how is it to do luxury shopping in Poland and what you should expect. Luxury shops, they would be only in Warsaw, and there is very few of them, and they are rather limited range of the items that they offer. As far as I know, there are two actually shopping malls. One, I think it's the bigger one or the main one or the first one that was there. I went to, and there is Louis Vuitton boutique. There is no other Louis Vuitton boutique in Warsaw, and I think there's only one Gucci boutique. So on the first or the ground floor, they had like standalone boutiques of designers, and there was Gucci, there was YSL, Bottega Veneta, and Louis Vuitton, and I think that was it. And there was one like a shoe store which have multiple designer shoe stores, and on the like level 1, 2, there were this kind of stands, like, you know, a shopping mall but with different designers, and they were really small. So it was more of like having a brand there but not having the full range. It was rather limited. What is good about shopping in Poland is that in general they will not expect you to buy items. They don't push you, and they will just talk to you if you want. If you don't, I could actually kind of see the sales associates, they were not maybe even very interested in those people coming in. I wouldn't take it as a rude thing, it was just different to some other very busy locations. So in a way you can go there and really easily have a look on items. In boutiques, they didn't really mind that I was like lifting things myself from the shelf, trying them. They were not hardly assisting me, and you know what I mean, that hardly assisting, like you feel like you have to buy it. A girl which I spoke to in YSL, which by the way said that she has no knowledge about any price increase, and I tried to fish some information. She literally told me that she thinks there is more colors coming for the spring, so if I want to buy something, it's better I wait a little bit. There should be more items coming. I could see from those people that they don't really expect that I'm coming there to buy something, which is really nice, which is really pleasant to look around and don't feel that pressure that you are like, you know, you are here and they are just trying to sell you something. Even at Gucci, which my experience is very often the Gucci salespeople, they can be quite pushy. Not all of them. I had some experience that they were so pushy. Like when I walk in, they were just trying to sell me Diana bag just straight from the, you know, from the door. And they were just kind of convincing me how great that bag is. And for some time, I didn't walk to Gucci anymore because I was like, I just want to see stuff. I don't want to be like this, you know, somebody sitting on me like this and just pushing something on me. So I had that experience in Gucci before. At Louis Vuitton, they of course always give you a person. So, but that person, she was like going somewhere. She was checking her phone. She gave me that Palm Springs Mini and Neo Noe, and I was playing with them, like really like full chill. Nobody is hardly assisting you, but not in a bad way that they don't care about you, but they just give you time and space for your decision, for you trying. And like that was the best thing, that even that Palm Springs Mini, it's a rare item, but she didn't say anything that I should buy it, that it's not gonna be here tomorrow, or that, no, she just let me try it and she took it away. There was no pressure at all. To come to the pricing, so I guess it will depend a lot also on the conversion of your currency and the current, you know, Polish. I think the prices in Poland, they are calculated from euro, and probably they are calculated according to a euro at some day. My observation is that every country that you don't have euro as currency, those items will be more expensive. So it applies to the UK, it applies to the Czech Republic, because I bought my Odeon in Czech Republic, and at that time I think I paid for it, instead of 1,350 euro, I think already I paid like 1,450. I paid nearly 100 euro more because of the currency exchange or because of the price that was there and it was higher than the price in Italy, for example. So in Poland, in general, it applies the same rule. And when I asked about the Palm Springs Mini and I checked on my phone, quickly the currency, it was 1,860. So it was before the price increase, when in euro, Palm Springs Mini was 1,700, and then with the currency conversion, it was 1,860. So it was more than Palm Springs Mini in euro at the moment. So yeah, it's not worth it from that perspective. Of course, it's a matter if it matters for you that it's more expensive, and if it's worth it, because some items, if they are super rare, maybe you don't even care about it. But I want to just let you know about the situation, how it is, and like maybe if you travel to Poland, maybe what you should be aware. And let's move to the haul. I really wanted to buy something at Louis Vuitton. I don't know, kind of from that sentiment that I was shopping at Louis Vuitton in Poland, so I wanted to have like a souvenir, like a memory from, like a physical memory from that day. So I have my items here, and this is really like unboxing of them, because I didn't really open them. Well, maybe except this, but this was not to be open. I got a perfume, and then I wanted to get actually a perfume in travel size, which I already own. But they didn't have it, and they gave me, or actually the lady that I was shopping with, she gave me samples, and she gave me them in this enormously cute Louis Vuitton tiny shopping bag. I don't know for what they use. Maybe they are only for perfume samples. And the amount of samples, it's huge. First, proper shopping item, because I just unboxed the perfume samples. Like, again, somebody's making fun of luxury YouTubers talking about unboxing a perfume sample. So I just have done that part. So now let's unbox the real perfume. So yeah, and this hasn't been open even. So maybe it's interesting for some people how it comes. I don't know. I always get this kind of package. And this perfume has not been opened at all. So they come with this outside box, which is sealed here, and then you have to just, I'm not very skilled in that. So you just get that little, tear it off, and then you can get into the box. We have the round bottle, or actually round box with a bottle inside. So here I can show you which I got, and this is called Hours of Absence, or Heures the Absence. I mean, I have never learned French, let's skip that part. But in translation it's called Hours Away. And this is how it looks. It's a kind of purplish violet color of the perfume, if that actually matters at all. And I read about this perfume, and it's actually interesting story coming with the perfume, that this was a perfume which was launched in 1927. Actually not exactly this scent, but perfume which had the same name. And it was launched to celebrate opening of a Louis Vuitton store in London. And initially, I think they had like 30 of them produced, and they were giving it to special people. I didn't know even that Louis Vuitton was making perfumes, at the beginning of the 20th century. They couldn't find the recipe now, after search of a couple of years searching for the, what was in that perfume. So they created a new scent, and this is relatively delicate smell. That's a little story behind this perfume. What the perfume has, it's mimosa, jasmine, rose, balsam of Peru, sandalwood, and musk. And I really like musk notes, so I think that's one of the things that brought me to that perfume. Okay, so yeah, I like it. It's really really beautiful. So that's my new Louis Vuitton perfume, and you know what? It's actually the 4th Louis Vuitton perfume that I own. So probably I can make a collection video, or some kind of opinions, which one is worth, which one is not worth it. But I have to wear them a little bit more. And the second item, as I said, is an SLG. So let's just open it. This is an SLG which I was talking about actually before. I think it was featured in my gift guide before Christmas, and so I already mentioned that item, and I asked I think a couple of times about this item, or at least one of the variation of the colors that it comes. Okay, thank you, it's helping. So as you can probably guess, it's a card holder, and without further prolonging the situation, let me show you that beautiful, beautiful card holder, which is in Damier Azur and with pink leather. And initially I think I was more interested in this card holder with the blue, but later I was kind of like, pink is nice too. Eventually I was like, whichever actually comes. I thought that blue was more special or more unique, because you can see the pink with Damier Azur with bags and stuff, but the blue I haven't seen, so I thought it was very unique, and I wanted the blue, I think, originally, but it was never available, and then later was like, but pink is nice too. So when I asked the lady if they have that one, without really much hope, she said like, the blue one I haven't seen for the longest time, but the pink one might be here, and it was there. So I decided to just snap it and have it in my little Louis Vuitton collection, which I believed I am not an SLG collector, and I'm actually doubting myself now. I think I might be also collecting too many SLGs because well, let's be honest, I really don't need this item. Well, I don't use too many card holders, I don't use too many cards, and I pay with my phone most of the time. Yeah, I think I'm digging a grave for myself, like really, that was unnecessary. But it's beautiful, and for sure I will find a use for it. If I like something, I will just convince myself there is a use for it. Let me show you maybe closer. On the back there is no Louis Vuitton logo. It has this pocket here which opens on both sides, and then it has a pocket inside, so you can probably put a few cards here, not the biggest card holder. And the price at the time I was buying it, the price was, because it was price increase buy, so it was 155 euro, and I think I paid around 160, maybe to 65, because in Poland it was a little bit more expensive. And now I think they are like 190 after the price increase, so literally a week after I bought it, it went 40 euro up. I think it is a little bit hard to get piece, that combination. Is it, or I am just mistaken and I was just, you know, thinking that it's not so easy to find. That will be all for my little mini haul from Louis Vuitton from Poland, and also some information, I hope helpful for you if you happen to travel to Poland, about shopping there. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care guys. Bye.